Hagani gajing plepat ba ka Grievance redressal portal, laydan lang Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills wa Abilash Baranwal, ki Magister bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran na kajing ilang ba Prestone Tynsong ulong ba kajing play ke online portal kan pensuk shibo ni kipat ba nong shnong bakin si ujor no online ni kajing ka bakimat batkin amdan kamban penut ni kapor ni ban syang kali ban mi dala dia ban ai kinu-kinu kajing ujor. Ulong bagani kerukom terekam kari 11 dang nengkong di board peniak District East Khasi Hills bat an sepenyar pat ekum gani senjam shkiwei pat ki district jong ka jela. Uba Prestone Tynsong ulong bagajing temu jong sarkar jela kalong ban pentikna ba man lagi nong shnong lagi degi basa hakanu ka jakaru ken la ban yo kilat jing syakri na ka sarkar. Bat ban Pak Kia ya gejing ke bagi mat klam dan kam syuk benda idala dia ban ujor nri ban syuk ujor gejing da ka basule online. Ulong ba gejing dan kena ke portal kan penlong ru ke board peniat district bagin terekam ha kam tam ha ka ban ai gejing syakri ke ba gi pat ba bat ban Kia gejing ke ba mat da ki nong shnong.
SMS will have to be in English because it's difficult to get the approval because it has to be approved by CDAC. It's difficult to get approval in the local language. But then as far as of now, how are they registering their complaint? My question is, as of now, how are they registering their complaint? They can register their complaint through block office as well. They register their complaint through Gram Sevak as well. All these complaints will ultimately come to you. Through this portal, what we have enabled is that we do not lose track of the matter. That they will be informed in real time that what is the status on their matter and they can always check. So we are not really asking them to mandatorily register their complaint here only. It's just an addition to all the mechanisms which are already available. In fact, this is already available that if they want to register a complaint even regarding electricity posts, they can come and complain to their Gram Sevak, who in turn will forward it to the BDO, ultimately coming to us. So this is already there. There is already right to public services. Right to public services clearly defines deadlines for different kinds of services. And the same deadlines will operate over here as well. So whatever the law says, I mean, under right to public services, there are punitive provisions as well. And there is already an extant law, which has been executed by the government of Meghalaya, wherein public has been given the right to avail services within its defined timeline. So this is already there.
The district administration would like to have a separate dedicated portal in their own jurisdiction in this way, which we have just launched. You understand my point? Otherwise, different department they do have their dedicated online service. It's already there. But in addition to that, as I said to you, if you talk about the district, what happened is each and every head of the district, they have so many challenges to respond the grievances or the issues raised by different stakeholders within their district. That's what I'm saying. This is the first ever initiative taken by the District Administration of East Khasi Hills, and it will also be followed by all the districts in the state of Meghalaya.